Stop buying real estate and start doing this. All right, guys, we're in a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath, right? And for those who follow my channel, you know I've done this. I've interviewed people multiple times running this model. But I want you to stop buying real estate and start buying income, okay? Stop buying real estate and start buying income. You don't need a job, you need income. All right, always remember that, okay? So I'm about to show you exactly what I mean, step by step. So here it is, we have your living room area. And what I'm doing is I'm just grabbing stuff off of Facebook Marketplace to furnish out the property. This here is your laundry room. This is a half bath here. That's your half bath. Open floor plan kitchen. Now in all the shared spaces, I have motion lights. I have motion lights in all the shared spaces. So when people walk out here, you know, I don't have to worry about them running up the bills because I'm gonna do a room rental model known as the communal model. Please forgive, I know it's a mess. I'm still getting furniture and everything. So that's a 50-inch TV there in the living room. This is one of the smallest bedrooms. So legally, for it to be a bedroom, you have to have a closet. Can a closet be added? Absolutely. So I'm not worried about that. This is summer office, but we're gonna use a bedroom out of this. I actually put this is a 40-inch TV on the wall. So yeah, that's what we got going here, right? And I got these little coals. Shout out to my man Isaac. Whereas we can have the coals in here. All right. So now we're going upstairs. Upstairs has 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Very spacious. Eventually, if I want, I can add another bedroom here, but I would have to figure out how do we get another bathroom in here. All right, so let's start down here with the full bath. Full bath, granite countertop, tub with surround. That's nothing but the utility room over there. This is your bedroom, right? So this bedroom, I'm probably gonna get $250. Try to go anywhere between $225 and $250 a week for this, right? $225, $250 a week for this. $225, $50 a week for this as well, right? There's 3 bedrooms. Now this is the master, right? This is where it's really going down at. I'm gonna charge $275. You get your own bathroom in here. The walk-in closets over there. Pretty much, I want to say all of these upstairs have a walk-in closet, but a walk-in closet, I'm gonna get $200 a week for the room downstairs. I'm gonna probably be around $50,000 a year or so, I believe. Probably about $50,000 a year off this particular property. And I got another property I'm doing the same thing to. However, that's why the title of the video is what it is. Stop buying real estate, start buying income, okay? Because income will allow you to leave your job. Income will allow you to have passive income. Income will give you the life you desire. You know, even if you have a big net worth, if you don't have income to pay for that vacation, to pay for that car note, to pay for that mortgage, to pay for that rent, you cannot live the life you want. So guys, I want you to stop buying real estate and start buying income. All right, and this is one way you can do it, guys. When it's done, hopefully I can give you guys another tour of the property. But this is what I have now, guys. And listen, as you know, I'm Nasser, AKA the real estate guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a guru because I actually do this business, right? And I'm gonna probably bring my students out here to do a tour when I'm done. But for you guys on YouTube, I'm gonna make a video for you guys as well. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Make sure y'all sign up for my free masterclass this Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure y'all register for that. Also, what I want to do is while you're here, make sure you watch this video. And this person's gonna break down exactly what I'm about to do in this particular property.